Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you guys today. As you can probably tell by the title, it is my Glossybox unboxing. This is actually my last month of doing this. I did cancel my Glossybox just because there were other subscription boxes that I wanted to try, and I just felt like this one I wasn't too sad about getting rid of. I do like this, I do recommend it. But with the other subscription boxes that I received, this one I felt like I could part with the most. If you guys are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And then don't forget to ring that notification bell so you're notified for all my future videos. And I also just wanted to say thank you guys so much for getting me to 500 subscribers. That is amazing. I honestly, when I first started my channel, I was hopeful that I would get subscribers and have people actually watch my videos, but it just 500 subscribers seemed so far off to me. Even a couple weeks ago, I thought it was going to take forever to get here, and the past week you guys have been amazing, and I'm so thankful for you guys. Thank you guys so much to everyone who supports me and watches my videos and comments, and all the friends that I've made. Really, it means a lot to me. It means more than you guys know, and I'm so thankful for you guys. Thank you so much. I can't say thank you enough. So again, thank you for getting me to 500 subscribers. If you guys wanted to see what I got in my Glossybox this month, then just keep watching. Okay, so each month it just comes in this little box, and then you get a box within a box, and it's normally just the same pink box. This month is feeling particularly heavy, and if you don't know what Glossybox is a $21 a month beauty subscription service. Normally comes with deluxe size to full-size samples in here, or full-size products I should say, and you get normally between 4 and 5 items. Okay, so here is this month's little box. It's called Spring Awakening. Here is everything. Let's start with this right here. This is the Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. So it's an exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. So it's just a skin exfoliator, and it does look like a sample size to me, but at the end I will go everything in the little pamphlet. It tells exactly what it is, and then you can figure out whether it's full size to sample size items. And the next things I'm seeing, I have two things from the Be Kind brand. There's a body lotion and a shower gel. I do want to smell this lotion. This actually smells very, it does say it has honey and organic chamomile extracts in it. But this smells lemony, which I actually kind of like. You know what? It almost smells like, you know how some cleaners smell that lemon scent? This is pretty much what it smells like, and I actually don't mind it because I actually like that scent a lot. So I'm not mad at that. Alright, the next things I'm seeing are these beauty shampoo and conditioner. It's the brand called Beauty. I don't know. So it's just shampoo and conditioner. I'll tell you more about it at the end, I guess. The next thing I see is this brand is always popping up everywhere. I think it's called Douce, I think, or Deuce. I don't know. But it's a MAC Slash Volumizing Mascara. And there's, whoa, that wand is pretty intense. Pretty fat wand. I'm always looking for a good volumizing mascara, so I'm definitely going to give this a try and see how I like it. Alright, the next things I see are from ColourPop, and this is in the shade Wednesday. This is an ultra matte. This is also an ultra matte in the shade Speed Dial. So that one is Speed Dial. This one is Wednesday. So let's give a swatch right here. It's very pink. Very pink. Almost looks like it has some red undertones in it. Isn't that swatch beautiful? And then this one looks to be like an orangey brown shade, which is actually really pretty. I actually really like this one. I don't know how much I'll wear this color right here. It's just like super bold, and I'm not really into those bold colors, but I do think it's pretty. And then I I like this one. And the last thing I'm seeing is called the Ciao, I'm guessing. It is, looks like a perfume. So there it is right there. This packaging is really cute. Oh, you know what? I don't mind that. I actually think I really like this. I don't know, it just has like kind of a sweet smell to it. I can't explain it. I don't know, but I really like it. I mostly really enjoy sweet smells. I don't see that it would give me a headache. I am pretty sensitive to smells. If it's very florally or super musky, I actually get really bad headaches. And this one, I don't see that happening, but I'll keep you updated by the end of this video and tell you how I'm feeling about it. Okay, so I just want to go through the pamphlet here just to figure out exactly what everything is and how much, try to figure out a cost of it all. So this is a Vasanti Cosmetics Brighten Up Enzyme Face Rejuvenator. A full size is $34 and 4.2 ounces. This is only 0.7 ounces, so this isn't full size at all. So I'm going to guess that this is somewhere around the $5 mark. And the ColourPop Cosmetics, those are $6 each. The mascara is full size and it's $22. And then the shampoo and conditioner, all it says is beauty shampoo and conditioner. It's a mystery bonus product, apparently. So, it just says it works with all hair types, it's safe for everyday use, and color treated hair. It doesn't really talk much about the brand, so I don't know if this is special from Glossybox. I'm not sure. So there's those, and it also doesn't give a price on either, so I don't know how much those cost. The perfume, a full size, is $84 at 3.4 ounces. This is 0.25 ounces. The Gilchrist and Soames, that's what these are. The brand is Gilchrist and Soames. They are full size, are $16 and 8 ounces each. These are 30 milliliters is about 1 ounce. So I'm going to assume this is a couple dollars, maybe $2 or $3. And then this last thing is showing the Aroma Floria foot butter. I didn't receive that in my box. So altogether, the price is looking like it's around $65. So price-wise, that's just like an okay price. Glossybox has definitely done a whole lot better than that in the past. They've gotten around $100 and even over $100. But considering I only spent $21 on this box, that is a pretty good deal for these items. Honestly, I'm not very excited over them. I don't really hardly know anything about these. I'll definitely have to go online and see if I can find something else about them. And then the body lotion and shower gel, they are nice to have, and I mean, I'll definitely use the shower gel. The body lotion, I'll probably just throw it in my purse and then I'll use it then. It does smell really good. The enzyme treatment, again, I'll just put it in my bathroom, and I just feel like I get so many of these from these boxes that I just have them like piled on top of each other, so it might be a while before I actually get to this. But I am really liking this perfume. I'll have to put it back with all my other perfumes back there, so I am really liking that. And then the ColourPop lippies, I do like this shade right here, but this shade honestly I'll probably never use. So to be honest, I am kind of glad that this was the box that I decided to cancel, just because none of these products are really wowing me. If you also get Glossybox, let me know in the comments below if you received all these items as well, or maybe you received that foot treatment instead. And there was also a different fragrance that you could have gotten as well. There were 2 options for those. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Ooh. Why does that always happen to me?